Hi friends, this is Agnello Rajesh from St. Angelo's Professional Education. We are creating an episode for inspiring conversation and the topic is employee motivation. The ability to motivate employees is one of the greatest skills an entrepreneur can possess. And if you don't, you can engage professionals who can help you to do that. Sometime back, I realized that I need to empower this facility with somebody else coming into the organization. I came across Ishwar Jha, who had many years in the corporate world, which included running a major department at the ZTV. I knew he was seasoned, but I was still skeptical at first. We were going through some tough growing pains, and I thought a lack of cash would make it extremely difficult to improve the company morale. I was wrong, friends. With Ishwar's help and the help of the great team leaders he put in place, Ishwar not only rebuilt the culture but also created a passionate, hardworking team that is as committed to growing and improving the company as I am, and it made all the difference. Well, here are some things that we learned together, myself and Ishwar. To be generous with praise, everyone wants it, and it's one of the easiest things to give. Plus, praise from the CEO goes a lot further than you might think. Praise every improvement that you see your team members make. Once you are comfortable delivering praise one-on-one to an employee, try praising them in front of others. Please get rid of the managers. Projects without project managers, that doesn't seem right. Try it. Removing the project lead or supervisor and empowering your staff to work together as a team rather than everyone reporting to one individual can also do wonders. Think about it. What worse than letting your supervisor down? Letting your team down? Allowing people to work together as a team on an equal level with their co-workers will often produce better projects faster. People will come in early, stay late, and devote more of their energy to solving problems. I don't deny the fact that if there is a leader in the form of a manager, even he will be able to derive excellent results. But we can have a combination of both the scenarios. Make your ideas theirs. People hate being told what to do. Instead of telling people what you want done, ask them in a way that will make them feel that they came up with their idea. I would like to tell you to do this way. Do you think it's a good idea if you do it this way? Ask this to an employee and he will feel ownership. Never criticize or correct anybody in front of the others. No one wants to hear that they did something wrong. If you are looking for a demotivator, this is it. Try an indirect approach to get people to improve. Learn from their mistakes and fix them. Ask, what was the best way to approach the problem? Why not? Have any ideas on what you could have done differently or something better? Then you are having a conversation and talking through solutions and not just pointing a finger. Make everyone a leader. Highlight your top performers' strengths and let them know that because of their excellence, you want them to be the example for others. You will set the bar high and they will be motivated to live up to their reputation as a leader. Take an employee to lunch once a week. Surprise them. Don't make an announcement that you're establishing a new policy. Literally walk up to one of your employees and invite them to lunch with you. It's an easy way to remind them that you notice and appreciate their good work. Give recognition and small rewards. These two things come in many forms. Give a shout to someone in a company meeting for what she has accomplished. Run contests or internal games and keep a track of the results on a whiteboard that everyone can see. Tangible awards that don't break the bank can work too. Try things like dinner, trophies, spa services, and plaques. Throw company parties. Doing things as a group can go a long way. Have a company picnic, organize birthday parties, hold a happy hour. Don't just wait until the holidays to do a company activity. Organize events throughout the year to remind your staff that you are all in it together. Share the rewards and the pain. When your company does well, celebrate. This is the best time to let everyone know that you are thankful for their hard work. Go out of your way to show how far you will go when people help your company succeed. If there are disappointments, share those too. If you expect high performance, your team deserves to know where the company stands. Be honest and transparent. I'm sure these methods of motivation will make your company people more productive and make the success of the company faster and quicker. This is Agnilo Rajesh on behalf of St. Angelo's Professional Education, creating content for inspiring conversations. I wish you all the best and happy motivating your employees. Bye for now.